Hey creators, welcome back to David Creative Lab. In today's video, I'm about to reveal something amazing to you guys. So many people miss the opportunity to activate Google Gemini Veo 3 for 12 months. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use this same Google Gemini for free, endless creation, unlimited AI videos, unlimited images using NanoBanana. Now, most people still believe you must pay, subscribe, or enter your card details before you can create high quality AI videos. But today, I am going to show you something different, something powerful. What if I told you that you can use Google Gemini Veo 3.1 for free, use Nano Banana for free, and no credit card, no watermark, no limits on creation? Now, welcome to Gemini Business. This is not the regular Gemini you already know, and it is not the usual pro version everyone talks about. This is a business grade environment designed for creators, business owners, developers, and that's where the magic happens. Now, unlike most AI tools where you will need to pay or subscribe, where you need certain amount of credit, using this Gemini Business, you don't need any credit, no credit required. You don't need your card details. All you just do is you just subscribe. You just subscribe using your email. That's all. You sign up using your email. That's all. And here you can generate AI videos, visuals, and content continuously without worrying about usage limits, without worrying about watermark, without worrying about credit card. Now, inside this Gemini Business, you can use Veo 3.1 advanced video generation model. Veo 3.1 produce cinematic quality videos, realistic motion, clean transitions, and professional level visuals. And the best part is that you are using it totally for free and no credits deducted, no watermark on your videos. All They are all totally free. And you can also get access to Nano Banana where you create endless images and so on and so forth. Remember, no payment, no credit card, no watermark, and just pure creation. Alright, so without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Now, what we're going to do is we are going to come over to our Chrome browser. That is where we are going to be using this tool. It's not an application. All you just do is you just come to your Chrome browser and search for you come over and search for. Now, but before we search for this tool, I want to show you something. Maybe I've been trying to get Google AI Pro for students, and this is what you're getting. This is the result, or this is the outcome you are getting. I want to show you that this is no longer available. Now, let's try it out and see how it's been done. So, let me come over and open this in a new tab right now. So, if I open this in a new tab, we will see you're going to see this section where you say start your trial now. I'm going to click on it, then you're going to see. But before that, let me come over and check all the benefit of using this Gemini Veo 3.1. That is the Gemini Pro version. Whether you're using Pro version, whether you're using Ultra version, you get access to all these stuffs. So it helps you for homework and stuffs, a lot of things. You generate AI videos. Now let's come over and click on start your trial. Let's see what you are going to get. So you can see that's to show us what you are seeing. The options you are seeing here shows that you can't get access to the 12-month pro version for students anymore. So what we are going to do is I'm going to come out of this place and then go straight to the business. Go to the tool that you can use to generate these unlimited AI videos, just as explained from the beginning of this video. Now, what you're going to do is you'll come to a new tab and search for Gemini Business. Search for Gemini Business. And when you search for Gemini Business, you come over and you click on Enter. Then once you click on Enter, you're going to come over and select the first tool right here, which is this cloud.google.com that has this Gemini Enterprise. So you come over, you click on it. When you click on it, you wait for it to load. After it loads successfully, you are going to see everything that you need to know. So let's come over and open this in a new tab again. Meanwhile, let me close all these tabs because we don't need them anymore since the student offer is no more available. So I'll just close the tab. So I'm going to come over and open the cloud.google.com where I'm going to use this Gemini Enterprise. Don't forget, it is still the normal Gemini that you are using. So now you can see it right here. Choose the best edition for your organization. So you can see if you scroll down, you are going to notice that you are seeing that in a month, business edition, you are getting it for $21 per month. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to get this, how to start your free trial. We are going to do that right now. So you are going to scroll down and look for where you see the start 30-day trial. So you transform your workforce with Gemini Enterprise. So you come over and click on start 30-day trial. When you click on that, so this is what you're going to get. Then you can now sign in using any of your email. You can use any email of your choice. So you continue with the email. So once you are done, once you type in your email, then you click on continue with email. Then you can see that it's going to what? It's going to it's going to send a code to you for you to confirm your email. But because the email has been signed into my laptop already, so it will not request for me to confirm anything or to put in any code. It's going to confirm it automatically because the email is already in my device. So now you come over, try, so you just put your first and last name together, which I have done that already. So it's your choice and to accept that. So that one I don't need that. So what I'm going to do is signing us in already. So let's wait and see the outcome. So guys, this is super amazing. If this is the first time you're coming across my channel and you're finding this helpful, don't forget to like this video and share this video to your friends and family. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell. So you can see this is the dashboard. It looks exactly like the Gemini that you all know. So now we want to create a video and see how this is done. So you can see the NanoBanana I'm talking about. It said new try NanoBanana Pro, a state of the art image generation and editing model. So just like the same NanoBanana that you have been using before, that's the same NanoBanana you're using here as well. So you just come over here and select generate video. Then we need our prompt. So let's go to our ChatGPT as usual to generate our prompt. So I'm going to come over to ChatGPT so that ChatGPT can give me my prompt. Then I'll come over, copy it. So I've generated my prompt already. I'll just take it over to the Gemini Enterprise and paste it right there. So after pasting it, I'm going to check if there's any error that I need to correct. So let's come over and correct this one right here. So let me correct. I think this one should be NanoBanana. So I'm going to edit it and correct it to NanoBanana. So guys, if just make sure your prompt is ready, all you just do is just be pasting the prompt. Then in few seconds, it generates your video. And don't forget I said it does not come with watermark. Don't worry, I'm not just saying this for you to just hear it, but I'm showing you right here. So in few seconds, you are going to see that our video is going to be ready. It's going to be ready. So it's thinking already. So
I am
just hold on
just
for the
walking
results.
down the
So now
street
let me come back
and
and
filming
let's see the
myself
result
for this
and play
video.
it. So let's see it. Let's check it out. So guys, this is super amazing. Like this is super amazing. And the best part is that you can download it to your device. So you can see it. We have downloaded it. So let's try another prompt and see it. You can just generate anything of your choice, anything you want to do, just keep generating and you'll see the outcome, you'll see the results. So you don't forget, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, share this video to your friends and family. Let them also partake in this new tool, in this new AI tool. Let's check the second one out as well.
Yes, in case you want to generate unlimited AI videos, you can now start using Gemini and NanoBanana for free.
So guys, you can see this is super amazing. Don't forget, thanks for watching to this point, to this moment, and I appreciate your patience and your support. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to always get amazing content from me like this. Bye, see you in my next video.